Hey guys, this is our lesson on Queen Esther, day 2. So remember, there was once there was a beautiful girl named Esther. She was one of God's special people, a Jew. She lived with her cousin Mordecai during this time, and the Jews did not live in their own land. They lived in a foreign land with a foreign king. The king of this land wanted to have the most beautiful girl in the kingdom to be his queen. So all of the girls in the land were brought to him. When the king saw how beautiful Esther was, he immediately chose her to be his queen. The king married Esther and made her his queen. One day, Esther's cousin Mordecai, who she lived with before, overheard 2 men talking about a plan to hurt the king. He was very upset by this, and he ran and told Queen Esther right away. He said, "Go warn the king, because there are people who are going to try to hurt him." And so Esther went and told the king immediately. The king caught the 2 men and had them punished. Then he wrote Mordecai's name down in a special book that was about people who helped the king. The king had a helper named Haman. Haman chose to do bad things. Haman wanted everyone to bow before him, so they knew how important he was. One day, Haman walked past Mordecai, but Mordecai did not bow down to him. This made Haman so angry that he wanted to hurt him. One day, Haman found out that Mordecai was a Jew, and he came up with a special plan to try to hurt the Jews. And he told the king about his plan. And we're going to find out about that plan tomorrow. Bye, guys.